Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest weekly Insta Forex and stock markets review. The US stock market ended on a negative note on Friday, snapping a 16-year winning streak of Dow Jones Industrial Average and curbed S&P 500 growth to the all-time closing high. The analysts believe that the market has a short pause as it is impossible to continuously keep going up as well as going down. After 10 consecutive gains and the most prolonged growth in 16 years, Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.2% to 14,514.1, having added 0.8% for the week. The day after sessions closed 2 points lower than the history low of 1,565.15 seen in October of 2007. S&P 500 fell by 0.2% to 1,560.70, having gained 0.6% from the last week. Nasdaq Composite lost 0.3% to 3,249.07, having lifted 0.1% at the end of the week. The stock market decline continued amid the news about consumer sentiment in the USA. The preliminary reading from Michigan and Thomson Reuters plunged to 71.8 in March from 77.6 in February. Besides, consumer prices grew by 0.7% in February, while New York manufacturing PMI fell in March. Industrial output increased by 0.7% in February, after 0.1% contraction registered in the previous month. Apart from this, quadruple witching day futures and options on indices and shares have expired on Friday. It happens every third Friday in March, June, September and December. This period is characterized by higher volatility and increased trading volume. Banking sector's shares were actively traded amid the second round of stress test by the Fed. The Federal Reserve System binds J.P. Chase & Company to submit a new capital plan for the investigation in 6 months. J.P. Chase & Company shares shed 1.9% on Friday. Apple securities were trading 2.6%, up to $443.66. The company's quotes were in the green area despite new Samsung presentation which took place in New York overnight. The Apple's competitor unveiled new device Galaxy S4 and promised to launch new sales in more than 150 countries by the end of April. This was the latest Forex and stock markets review prepared for you by our Insta Forex team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.